Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is another process video for Off the Board where I am going to use this sketch for my layout for this video. And the sketch is it's a jumpstart sketch for January. It looks like it's Rochelle Spears and I'll link it down below. And I've done quite a bit of layouts and stuff through the month of January, but when I filmed this, I was just like, I couldn't get started. Like, I was in a slump. And I sometimes get in that way, so sketches work really well for me to get myself and my mojo going again. And so that's what I decided to do. So I found this sketch, and then obviously we went from there. And the collection that I'm using is Bring Back Blossom. I will link it down below. It is from Close to My Heart. It is all their papers and everything like that, except for the bottom piece that you see right there with the polka dots. That one is from an older Dear Lizzie collection that I wanted to use the background because I don't have much of this product, but a lot of the product papers are bluish tones, and I wanted to have a little bit of a contrast when I started layering down the pieces on there. And so this is of my daughter's second grade birthday, so she would have been 7 going into 8 because she's 6 going into 7. Yeah, 6 going into 7 because she is a late bloomer. And we asked her for one best friend to go with. I didn't want anybody else to go but one person, and her birthday was pre-COVID. But I still keep her birthdays very low key. And I decided that it was one person, and she picked her bestie, Liam. And so we went to a dinner and a movie, and they had a lot of fun. Daddy was with myself and then Liam. And then obviously KJ. But she had a lot of fun. She was super duper excited for that, and she enjoyed his company. Now, my dad, or my husband, on the other hand, he was like, we're taking a boy? I said, of course we're taking a boy, because that's who she wanted to take with. I was like, we're not going anywhere. It's not like we're going to leave, the kiddos by themselves. So, but I think he was just more Josh in the fact that he decided to take a boy, or, KJ to take a boy than a girl. So, but she was super excited for this, and her birthdays, and I don't go big for anything, like holidays, birthdays, all of that. We celebrate, but we don't go all out. I do absolutely, enjoy birthdays and, things like that, but there's more to life than, getting big gifts and all of this kind of stuff for their birthdays. And so we've always had low-key birthdays and low-key holidays, and completely fine with that. My son is the same way. He always says now that he's older, he's like, it's another day, another dollar, and you know what? That works for me. But I am doing some little bit of staples just to kind of add a little bit of something there. Plus, I wanted to hold this piece because I do follow this pretty much to the T for sketch-wise. Not much of it changes. I put my title where I wanted it. And, yeah, so that pretty much all worked out. And, just kind of made it all look together, and it kept it low key, and the color tones are really good. I love the color tones of this collection. So if you're interested in this collection, that will be linked down below, and it comes with 6 papers and a stickers, and then it does have stamp sets and stuff too. So I'll link everything down below for you for this one, and it's called Bring It Back Blossom. I had this once before, but it didn't have the stickers. I just had the papers, and I do absolutely love how the stickers match this collection really well. And I thought my title fit perfectly where it says every day has its story, because obviously this particular day it was her birthday, And it worked out well to have a story behind why we went out and did the things that we did was because it was her birthday. I add this flower down on the bottom. And I thought it was perfect because you'll see what I use with the cutoffs, because obviously you can see that it's cut off a little bit. But you'll see what I do with that one. And then make sure that you go check out everybody that's linked down below. I absolutely love how this layout turns out. And of course, I just love this series, period. It always gets my mojo going when I start to watch everybody that pulls things off of their Pinterest boards and uses them. And here I am, I'm gluing down this piece that's off to the corner. And I took the two little pieces that I cut off, and look at it, now it looks like I put those flowers behind there on purpose. And so I took those two little pieces to match, so it kind of like it went from one side to the other, just to add a little bit of something. And then I'm adding some flowers and stuff on the top, and then that's pretty much it. I do come in with two Bligz from Shimmer's Paints. It's Pixie Dust and Spice Cider. I love how it added just that little bit of sparkle to this layout. And I'll link all that down below as well. And also make sure that if you do purchase anything from Shimmer's Paints that you use my name in the comments and you'll get a freebie. So, but I will link that all down below. And then I do glue everything down, the little pieces that aren't quite, didn't have much glue to begin with. And let's see here. I do also add a few little hearts and stuff on here. And then I think that's pretty much it. I don't think I add anything else really to this layout. I thought I was going to use this piece and I was trying it in the different corners, but it was just too big. And then that's where I decided to put it. I just wanted to add something a little bit there just to kind of take care of the title. And then I do add my date stamp, which was August of 2019. And then I did go around and I did this journaling bit. And then I do it on the papers that I have behind the photos because I thought that that added just a little bit more and it brought them up. So I dashed the orange and did big straight lines for the blue. And it turned out awesome. I loved how it just added that little bits of something. Thought it worked out perfect. And so then that's it. The still shots are coming up. Make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel. I do upload between 2 to 3 times a week. I do collaborations like this, design team layouts, 12 by 12s, and traveler's notebooks. I hope to have you part of my YouTube family. And then I'm finishing up with this, and then I come in with the splatters. And then that layout is it. It came together super duper quick, super easy, and it really got my mojo going. So try this sketch and then tag me and let me know. Here are the Bligz. I'm going to leave you with that. I hope that you all are staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.